Welcome to our channel, where today we tackle one of the most urgent financial security issues: how to fix a compromised bank account efficiently and safely. Welcome to our channel, where today we tackle one of the most urgent financial security issues: how to fix a compromised bank account efficiently and safely. If you suspect your bank account has been compromised, it's crucial to act swiftly. The first step is to immediately contact your bank or financial institution using a verified phone number or their official website. Inform them about the suspicious activity and request a freeze or temporary hold on your account to prevent further unauthorized transactions. Next, change all your online banking passwords right away, choosing strong, unique combinations that include letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication if your bank offers it. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring more than just your password to access your account. Review your recent account statements carefully, noting any transactions you did not authorize, and report them to your bank for investigation or potential reversal. Simultaneously, monitor your credit reports for any unusual activity or new accounts opened in your name without your consent. It's also wise to run a comprehensive malware scan on your computer or mobile device to ensure there are no keyloggers or viruses that could steal your credentials again. Update your contact details with your bank, such as your phone number and email address, to receive real-time notifications about account activity. Keep a detailed record of all communications with your bank and any reports filed with law enforcement. Finally, educate yourself on phishing scams and other tactics fraudsters use to compromise accounts so you can better protect yourself in the future. Acting quickly and methodically in these steps drastically reduces the risk of further damage and helps you regain control of your financial security promptly. Remember, your vigilance is your best defense against such attacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more essential tips and updates on securing your financial life.